Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Jasmy, we are trading at 0.00393. 24-hour volume, we're up 75%, and market cap, we're up 2.73%. Heading over to our daily chart here, we can see this huge pump so far for today, with the range itself coming down to an area of support at 0.003597. We're going to take a look at a deeper dive into a 2-hour time frame, but most importantly itself, we can see that the pressure is on as the volume itself is increasing and the uptrend is increasing as well. Now, the price itself is going to be an ultimate test here if we can push it beyond these ranges of these candlesticks here on November 16th and here on November 24th, again at the 4008 price point. If we're able to break above that, not only are we going to come up and try to retest the 78%, but essentially it is going to most likely break out here for Jasmy in hopes to break out from the symmetric triangle that is a neutral chart pattern. So very exciting again to see huge strides for Jasmy. But let's deep dive into more of a 4-hour time frame. And then we're going to take a look closer into 2 hours. But if we take a look at our 4-hour time frame here, we were continuously making a lot of higher low peaks here, and the sellers itself push the price as low as they can, having this expansion of this wedge here. So we can see again coming down, we have broken through this area and coming up to retest the 38%. A few key areas here that we can see as the price was coming down to an area of support and coming down to an area of resistance is the MACD indicator. How sporadic this was. Such a roller coaster ride here for Jasmy, going into the red bullish market, and then we saw the price coming down to an area of support of 61%. A few histograms here coming up to the highest peak triggered a selling opportunity on the RSI, went into a red bearish market, but only temporarily. We can see that there wasn't a whole lot of these red histograms, and then switched over to green, had the RSI as high as 88%. Our threshold triggered a selling opportunity. Price itself retraced downwards. So as we can see here is a huge breakout for Jasmy, coming up to another area of our fib retracement at 38% of our fib. We can see that the RSI itself is at 62%. And if we do see that our D line here, which is this pink line, retraces even higher, then it may actually trigger a sell opportunity. But we can see how far away the D line itself is. So the price itself is going to, and hopefully again, close above the 38% of our fib at the 402. We're already at the 402 price point, and we're hoping for this to actually break out in an uptrend. And most importantly, as we are breaking out of the 38% of our fib, we want to make sure that we are watching very closely here of the MACD indicator. Notice again in the first wave, the second wave, and now in the third wave here, it is expanding in size. And so long as we can see that the MACD indicator and our signal line is getting further apart, it is only going to grow for Jasmy to retrace again to our next fib retracement if we're able to close above the 38%. But be very, very cautious for Jasmy itself, as we have huge pumps, we have huge dumps as well. Take a look at this peak here that we saw on November 16th. The price retraced all the way up and then dumped incredibly after. So that's kind of my opinion here on Jasmy. Watch out for 38% or the 402. Most importantly, on the daily chart, if we're able to break above and we do see that buying pressure, and seeing if we can be able to close above our 20 moving average so we can break out in an uptrend in hopes again to close above the 78% or 4110 in our stride on our daily time frame. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. Definitely like and subscribe and comment down below, but I'll see you next time.